Here, set those in the bike. Water. Stop. Yeah, don't throw them. Set it down.
That's a puppy drink. Yeah, the puppy drink. I have not seen Gracie play.
We'll have to bring him over more.
I mean, that's funny. Gracie's doing great. Come on, Gracie. That's not right, Gracie.
Don't slam it.
Gracie.
Gracie's worn out now.
That baby wear you out. Did that little baby wear you out? Trying to get his tail. Or her tail.
Where's she going?
Come on, Marshall. What? Oh, look. This is a baby.
Now, how big do they usually get? They get.
I don't know, because I don't even know what kind of dog he is.
If he isn't Rottweiler, then it's German Shepherd, maybe. But they look like that when they're puppies.
So do
Oh, there's a squirrel right there.
Dobermans, but Dobermans are more round.
Yeah.
Close the door.
Close it all the way.
Just
That ain't no garden. That's just our dirt field. That's still on ground. Yep. Yeah. Sure does. What?
She sees a dog. She sees a squirrel. Die. You record this. I need to get my flip flops on. My feet are itchy.
The grass is itchy.
You have to hold it like this.
Okay. I'm sure that was coming off. Look at those back there. Run, Marshall, run. Say, come play with me, Marshall. That's the fun time to get them a puppy is when they're this age.
Oh. That is funny.
Stupid.
Nope, this way. Marshall.
What do you think about that puppy, Mason? You
Cute.
like him?
Uh-huh.
He's cute.
I think he likes you too.
Who?
The puppy.
About to go.
He's real fond of her butt. Nobody gets to touch her. He's trying to bite her tail. Tuck it in. Sit down. Run.
How old is she?
Hi. Hi. Kisses.
Oh.
Yeah, that's funny. Oh my gosh. Maybe like once a week or something.
Oh.
That was funny.
You wore out. She'll sleep now. She'll go home and sleep.
She's gonna go home and see.
Aww. Yeah. She's tired.
You have braces? Or you have
So his name's Marshall. Don't hold in his ear. He's giving you kisses.
Oh crap. He's on my keys. They're on that chair.
I don't know.
He's like 7 weeks old.
7 weeks.
I forgot your money.
I want a dog like you.
I know. We can't have one that big, oh. I wish we knew what it was. Ain't sure what it is.
Looks like
Did they
kinda
have
like
him? How'd you find him? Did they have him in the paper?
It
Or
was on Facebook.
was it?
Looks like kind of like a boxer kind of dog.
No. I ain't got no boxer nose. You seen her daughters the other day.
Uh oh. I
It
see a
must be a-
hornet or a wasp.
That's alright. Hold on to the puppy. He'll jump down and hurt himself. He's just a baby. Do you hear me? Remember, they're like babies.
I can't believe how hot it is.
Oh, I know. It's humid as heck. And that ain't good because of the storm. It's going to heat them storms up.
It says it's raining at 3:26. It lied again. Why does it lie?
This is Indiana.
We don't have that much.
Stand still for
storms
2
coming.
seconds and the weather will change.
It's like I got heartburn too.
Probably
Mason!
eating and then running. Mason!
Mason! Did you hear that? It was like, nee.
It's probably the squirrel or them birds have been after each other all day too up there.
You want to hold her? I mean him?
Yeah. Here, baby. Just pick them up. Just gotta watch their little ribs. Here, honey. Hi.
Is it on you?
Something's like blocking it.
Oh.
No. Alright. There you go. Well, something's behind
It's this.
that thing.
Got it?
There you go.
Oh crap.
Oh, honey. What?
Tick.
Where?
Get it off of me now.
Where, Bradley?
It's on my finger.
Honey, that is not a tick.
What is it?
I don't know. It was just like some little worm from the grass. Chill. Good God. There's all kind of critters in the grass. It was just a little worm. Little grass worm. It's just dry skin. Quit picking it.
It's not.
Yeah, it is. Let me see. Ticks are black, honey. It's a black. It's just a little grass worm. Put that on the ground. It's all smashed.
Scared me. I didn't know what that was. It's like,
I'd swear with the way that the long narrowness of his nose, he looks like a German Shepherd.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
Let me know if anything else happens.